guys, I'm Dory with the blog Blissful Life 5, and today I'm so excited to be sharing our chicken coop with you. We got chickens back at the beginning of May. Our youngest had been begging for chickens, and we had just had pretty much decided it wasn't something we were gonna undertake. And then we were at an Atwoods, and my husband saw the little baby chicks and decided we had to have them. And so we bought 6 little baby chicks to bring home to our kiddos, and my husband immediately started on the chicken coop, looked up plans and decided on what he wanted to do and got started with it. And so today I'm going to show you our finished chicken coop and our chickens. And you can also visit the blog post below and see how far the chickens have come from when we first brought them home to now. So I'm excited to share this with you. Here's their chicken coop. My husband built this over a span of about 3 weeks. You could get it done in a weekend, he said, but just with the time he had and stuff, it took about 3 weeks. But we used plans from Anna White's website, and I will link those below so that you can have those. But the plans came with this cute little herb garden. Chickens like herbs, and so we planted some herbs here. The lavender helps, just like with humans, help feel calm. And some of the things that we planted, lavender, we planted some mint, and honestly cannot remember what that middle one is. So if you know, let me know in the comments. But we kind of added a few things to this. We added the light. Chickens, we read that chickens they don't like being in the dark, and so we added this light to the chicken coop. Solar powered, so didn't have to run electricity or anything, and it keeps them happy at night. We, instead of using shingles, decided to go with the cedar shake shingles. And I really like how it turned out. It's really cute. This is where they hang out at night. This is where they sleep. My husband put that branch in there so that they can perch on there. And then there's another one up top here. And they really like being close together. So they perch on one of these branches. Usually this top one, because it's closer to the light. And just huddle together and sleep at night. And then in the morning, they go down their little ladder and come down to the bottom of the coop. So my husband built this little feeder out of PVC pipe, and they're a little bit short right now to reach the feed, so he put the bricks down there so they can climb up there and reach it. When they're full grown, they'll be able to reach it, but right now they're still a little bit small. Come on the outside here and let you see what this looks like. Pretty cool. Show you down here. There's their little ramp that they use to go up into the chicken coop at night. We got this little vintage watering can for them, but it hasn't been enough out in this Oklahoma heat. It's gotten really hot. So they press their beaks against that little silver button there and water comes out. And they're pretty smart. They figured it out pretty quick. So there's several different ones on there, so they can each have one, but they usually crowd around one and push each other out of the way. So they're pretty funny. Oh, there's one sneaking around the corner here. We laid this chicken wire down here. It's to keep predators out. We don't really have a whole lot of predators that we would have to worry about here in our yard, but just in case, better to be safe than sorry. So we added that around, and the grass will grow up in it and you won't even be able to see it eventually, but so that's what that is. Chickens start laying eggs. There's this little door here that comes unhooked, and this is where they'll roost back behind this board. If you saw the white cloth when I showed you the other side, they like privacy, so my husband hung the white cloth up so that they can have their privacy when they're ready to go roost. But then they'll rest up against this wood piece, and when they lay the eggs will roll back down here so that we can easily get the eggs and not have to worry about moving the chickens to get the eggs or anything like that. They'll just roll back so we can grab them. So that's pretty cool, pretty convenient. Neat little trick there my husband found. So that's pretty much it. Our cedar shingles are kind of popping up on that one end, and we're gonna have to fix that. But other than that, we are really happy with how it turned out. We love having our chickens and can't wait to start getting some eggs. Okay, it's not completely dark obviously, but dark enough for the light to come on, and the chickens have gone up into the coop. You can see them up there poking their little heads through. They're up on that top piece of wood, just perched together, huddled together there, ready to start settling down for the night. So let's take a peek around here. See them up in their perch. Oh. After I took some video last week sharing our chicken coop, my husband decided to go ahead and add on this really cool run to give the chickens some extra space to roam, and he put a little swing in there as well to entertain them. Apparently we've learned through research and through experience now that chickens get bored, and so one of the things that they like to do to entertain themselves is to swing. And so he built this little add-on here, and then also put this swing on for them so that they can swing. Only one of them has been brave enough so far to try it, but I think they're going to enjoy it. And this is a nice little extension for them, just to have a little bit of extra space here. They are getting so big. He also got this bucket that I shared with you, their water bucket. He got it painted white and hung it up for them so that they can get their water, and so that it doesn't look ugly under there. So you can see how they just push their beak, if you can see there, on that little silver piece, and the water comes out. They figured it out really fast. We were surprised how quickly they figured that out, so pretty cute. But so that's it. I just wanted to share that cool little add-on that he put there. Thanks for letting me share our chicken coop with you today. It's so much fun. We're so excited. The kids love taking care of the chickens, and it's teaching them responsibility, so that's always a plus. And we can't wait to have fresh eggs. Sometime in the fall, between October and November, they're supposed to start producing, and we are so excited about that. So anyway, thanks for joining us today, and we will see you next time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more DIYs and more on our home, and we will see you soon.